Welcome back to another YUMMYLICIOUS video. Oh, we don't know what's in the sushi.
Yeah, just name it off. It will be in the description.
Welcome back to another YUMMYLICIOUS video. Today we'll be trying sushi. We got a couple of things on the menu. So we got fried tuna rolls. I don't even know if these are rolls. We got California rolls. We got Mexican, which is this long one, and these 4 or 8. And what was this one? Spicy. Was it spicy what?
I don't know.
Some spicy one.
The heat roll?
Yes, the heat. This is the heat. Don't know what's in there. And this is the biggie. I remember what was in the biggie. It's like cream cheese, avocado, and crab. I don't know what's on top though. But everything will be down in the description box. But again, we got California tuna, Mexican, the heat, and biggie. And of course, wasabi and ginger. And for my drink, I just have, you want to say something, baby? All your, them things.
Yeah, and I got some edamame.
You should have put them on the plate.
Oh, yeah, they don't mind. We're family.
And for the drink today, we have pineapple Malibu and strawberry peach juice with fresh pineapples. And of course, I got my water. Bubba just got some sparkling water. I think they say blue raspberry and just a bottle of water. So we're going to jump right in the video because Bubba hungry. I'm not going to lie. I had soup and a half a sandwich today. But I didn't eat no bread, so I can still eat. I'm hungry. So I'm going to start off with a California roll. Don't judge me on these chopsticks because I'm going to use them on camera. I'm going to try. Bubba pouring soy sauce, and they gave him about 100 packs of it.
Grab some wasabi.
Oh my God.
That'll be fine.
Bubba done put a whole big old thing of wasabi in his soy sauce.
What's this, the heat? Yeah, I think it's the heat. Oh, it just came apart.
I did good off camera with these chopsticks.
Oh, gosh.
Now you're playing games with me.
Now the roll just coming all apart.
You didn't share with the people. Bubba. I'm gonna hate to see that face expression. I'm gonna have to have you crop that out. Banging stuff on my table.
There's the, what is this?
Tuna.
Tuna? What?
Did you show them the inside?
Yeah, I saw.
Inside. So what am I gonna do? Give me some ginger. A little wasabi. We got the windows open too. If y'all hear, it's very, very windy out here today. I'm gonna give you guys a bite. And let's pray I don't drop it. Is it in focus? I can't tell.
Yeah.
That's good stuff.
The roll just totally came apart. All right, move this out the way.
Now wasabi in my nose dive. We finally got Bubba back on camera. Okay, now I'm not gonna play games with this stuff.
You want the bottle of
No, thank you.
soy sauce?
I'm gonna just
Let's try this.
spray this all over it. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys where I got this from. I'm terrible, isn't I? It came from, where did it come from again? We actually took my baby girl after her graduation.
Shinto.
Shinto in Naperville. It's real good. I'm gonna try one of these Mexican rolls. I want to show y'all what's in it minus and dropping it. Here, have a bite of the Mexican roll. I'm shaking.
And this is, yeah, coming apart. All right.
Because Bubba ain't trying to share anything. He just stingy. He sat there and watched me eat my food because I went to the mall. Because I had to get some more soap, hand soap, and some more plug-in refills. And yeah, I was at Bath and Body Works. So. Okay. This Mexican one can get bang. Good. You got. No, that's good.
Let's see. Can you guys see this?
Oh my God.
There you go. Okay.
That's good. Maybe I tell them it's the Japanese steakhouse where we went. And they have the, what do they call it, hibachi?
Mm-hmm.
Where they cook the food in front of you. Fire. Took my baby girl for her 8th grade graduation. When was that, in June? May. May. I had wasabi outside of my burning. And this Mexican roll was fried. This one wasn't. How is it? I didn't know you ate none. How is it?
It's like sushi. I mean, no, it's alright. It's hard to like describe or say. I don't know. It's different.
Get my water.
But yeah, this is.
Is it good?
Yeah.
I can't take it. He paused a little bit. I'm scared. I can't pick this one up. Is that 2 or 1? I'm gonna let that one stay over there. Pick this one up. It's got cucumbers in it, y'all. It's got shrimp. Would you taste it with the shrimp?
Mm-hmm.
You taste the shrimp?
Mm-hmm.
He lying. Tell him where you been, Papa.
Oh, setting up the camera.
He been behind the scenes. Just drop that.
I might need to use a fork or something because I know what these ones, oh, they keep falling apart. Maybe that heat roll.
Fork. Okay, I'm gonna try to hold on to that. Do y'all see it? Take a bite. Fork.
Yeah.
That's good. Welcome.
Stop making a mess of this one. Oh, let's see. Dip it a little bit.
Wait, this supposed to be the crunchy California roll? I'm scared of these pink. Why is they pink?
You gotta read the ingredients, see what's in it.
I'm
But
scared
this
of
is
those.
a
I don't think that's the fried California rolls. Because it ain't got no crunch. And the one we have college graduation had was the fried one. It was good.
I don't know about that.
My daughter gonna love this when she get out of school. I tend to go to Jewel's on. That's chicken. This is chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's good. I had picked up a piece of meat that I thought I dropped, but that's pretty chicken. Yeah, I go to Jewel's on Tuesdays and I always get her sushi because they make fresh made sushi right in front of you at our Jewel. So I get her sushi on Tuesday so she can take to school on Wednesdays. This is all freshly made too. She gonna go crazy when she got to school. And actually, she should be here in like 5 minutes because she been out already. She's on the school bus. I gotta get in with this one because this was some good stuff. But I picked it up. Yeah. You can't fuck with that, you. Get y'all some. Okay. That chicken. Okay. You taste that cream cheese. Now this is the biggie roll. Wow. Okay, Shin 2. Well, Shin, what's that? I didn't have this one. Somebody phone being disrespectful, and it ain't mine.
Oh, I should have been on silent.
It sure ain't. Somebody blowing you up. And I'm trying to figure out who, because I'm sitting right here. Go out one more time, I'll sucker punch you. God knows how to do it.
No, she won't.
Oh, you taste that cream cheese?
Yeah, a lot of these got cream cheese.
I ain't tasting no cream cheese so far.
This got
this
cream
didn't
cheese.
taste like because
This
it was
got
fried.
cream cheese. Well, it still got cream cheese in it.
Maybe because it was fried, you can't taste them. But this got.
Let's
Wow.
see. Try it again.
What's that one? Oh, that's the heat. That big roll hitting. Oh, this rice though. Oh. It's not safe for your girl waistline.
Try another one of these. What are these?
Tuna. I didn't even
What
try one
tuna?
yet. What you mean? What
They
tuna?
got avocado, cream cheese.
You the one
and
ordered
it's
it.
deep fried.
Bubba ordered this kind. Actually, ordered all of them. I was just standing there. Sounds like salmon. Probably tuna. Don't taste like salmon though.
Taking your word for it.
You eating it. What does it taste like?
Fish.
It's real fishy, but it's good. Y'all heard that crunch? Nice crunch on there. I'm ready to top lane roll, but you didn't get the crunchy one. What you eating on? Oh. Made number peas.
You ain't get none. You eat some.
Little ginger.
All right, let's see. What do I want to do next?
I was gonna eat all that. You ate all yours? That's just probably spicy.
Got some more.
You better be careful.
I'm a pro at this.
No, you're not.
Eat the wasabi.
Y'all. The girl is full now. I know it's in your nose. Don't eat all that. Put it down. Put it. Look at your eyes.
I'm thinking about a sad story.
Stop lying. It's not good for you.
Okay, it's gone.
Boy, that stuff all in your nostrils. Stop lying. And what's this? Is this good? This looks like a piece of shrimp too. Is that bacon? What is that? What's that piece of thing right there? Is that tuna?
Uh-huh.
I ain't messing with no raw tuna, y'all. I know it's cucumbers. I see jalapenos, I think, too. Well, is that cucumbers in jalapeno? What's that?
Jalapenos.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, it's good. Still ain't focused.
It never focused. It got shrimp. That's a shrimp, guys.
Nope, still ain't doing it.
Sorry, guys. I tried. Bubba. Is that cheese in there? What is that on top? Coleslaw? Okay, that's my least favorite. I don't like that one. It's good. But I'd rather bang these with the chicken. And these Mexican rolls. It's hitting. I hit it at a different spot. You know what I mean? Let me know if y'all know what I mean. You probably know what I mean. Well, this chicken hitting different than them shrimp. I'm putting me some more on here. This is mine. I'm full. You not full? I'm full, guys.
See, I didn't eat Panera.
I did.
What's the next time? We gotta do it on different sides because I'm
broccoli
left-handed.
cheddar. Lefty.
Yeah, well, I was bumping into each other.
You alright? You be trying to bump into me all the time.
Not while we eating. So I like to plan ahead.
You enjoy your food.
Yeah.
You can enjoy your food because you gotta hold your arm up.
You gotta be mindful where you at.
You gotta
If I have to make a mistake.
Hey, but I need to stay on my left side because this is my good side. So if I go over there, that's not gonna be on my good side.
Just put that side towards the camera.
My baby home.
Nope.
Who's that? Oh, let me try my drink, y'all. I'm tired of Bubba over here. Give me some drizzling. Ooh. Let's let this one over here try first.
That jalapeno's hot.
Ain't no damn jalapeno. Damn, we gonna make it work. Oh, yeah. Taste like coconut. I don't like coconut, but this is different. This is like a different coconut. I shouldn't put too much ice. Try it, Bubba. Don't drink it all.
Well,
Trying and drinking it all is different. What they like?
Yeah, it's sweet like a girl drink.
Hey, this is a man drink. I drink big boy drinks. I be making fruity drinks on camera, though, I ain't gonna lie. Because I don't drink them off camera. I drink normally just Crown Apple Royal and Rosa Lime. I'm so full. I should say this for my baby, huh? No.
Oh, you already got your chopsticks all over it.
So?
Yo.
Boy, you better go on and mind you some business. That's why you can't pick your thing up. Don't eat that lid for my baby. You talking smack. You want to go?
Out. Nope.
You got
nope.
to eat the whole thing.
Nope, I don't want it. Nope.
You do want to. Stop
Nope.
lying.
I don't want it. Let's see.
You better eat that.
Nope, I don't want it.
Stop lying with me.
These made like a slurping noise.
Oh, what?
Weird noise when you squeeze it out. If it was quieter, you had the mic turned up. That'd be good for that ASMR. Those weird noises.
That's gonna be good. He said it first. Alright, next time I do sushi, I'm getting in on these biggie rolls. Boy, them things good. It's not safe for me though.
You ain't said that about your California rolls.
Them California
Your
rolls,
favorites?
they not hitting it. These ain't my favorite. What's my favorite is the ones, the crunchy stuff on it, and the fried one.
That got crunchy stuff on it.
I don't know what these are.
Was that the egg? Was that the fish eggs or something?
I
Like
hope not. Oh, please don't
that? That's the
tell me
crunchy
that.
stuff. Oh, never mind.
Is those really fish eggs, y'all? I was thinking that when I was putting it on this
That
platter.
they fry up.
Not on the regular sushi
Take the baby
roll.
fish.
Hope not. This
gotta
made
do-
my stomach
Gotta do a little
turn.
research of what that stuff is.
That just made my stomach turn.
Well, you ate a bunch of them already. Why don't you go ahead?
This wind being really, really disrespectful. It knocked my thing down.
Oh, they probably didn't hear though.
Jeez.
All right.
I'm full, y'all.
Let's try to see what's gonna top it off. Here. Oh, this gonna be hot.
You put it in this. What?
This gonna be hot.
Don't do it then. You just sort of tell you a
There we go.
asshole gonna burn. He gonna have lava ass. It wasn't that hot, your butt ain't choking. Oh, it is.
No, so I can handle it. Good.
Here's your shirt. Good, nothing. He put all that darn wasabi in that bowl. Okay, y'all, we finna sign off. So until next time, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Buzz with me. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, turn on your notification bells. Got a burp. And share.
Well, you gotta do it again. You gotta be synchronized. The synchronized thumbs up.
Don't forget to thumbs up this video.
Yeah, countdown.
You get it. Thumbs up, share,
What? You
like.
didn't tell me it was what that time. I was off.
Well, you gonna stay off because
What we gotta do
your
is synchronize.
coordination is off. We'll work on that later. But until next time, bye.
All right, guys. Oh, you know what? We wasn't even recording.
You better be.
Nope. Gotta do it all over again.
The devil is a whole lie.
Well, at least you got audio.
It's our ASMR in the dark. That is freaking disgusting.
Oh, you burp on camera?
Not like that.
Yeah, I'm like, oh, you like that? So and so.
Mine's be cute.
That's for you, so and so.
That's Jaleel.
Well, Jaleel gonna love that one. That came from deep within.
That sound nasty and it sound like it stank. All that tuna and stuff.
It's like fish ass.
Okay, but let's try to come on.
We done?
Absolutely.
All right, guys, we're really done now. So, cut out.